Hey everybody, I apologize for the dog noises in the background. I want to show you another way to take off glitter nail polish. As you can see, I've already taken off of the rest of the nails except for my thumbs, but glitter nail polish can be really sticky. So you want to start with your nail file, and you will also have some non-acetone nail polish remover, and I just have some cotton rounds. So you take your nail file and you're going to file. Can you see how shiny this is? You want to file off the top clear coat layer. You see how it's starting to get a little dull? So you file, and again, I apologize about the dogs. They were just outside in the rain, so they're feeling a little crazy, but you file, file, file. Can you see how it's starting to get dull? There's the little shiny glitter spot in the back that I missed. So file off that top coat layer. Then you are going to grab your nail polish remover, and I have pre-soaked a pad here to expedite the process. And you just rub a little. And again, remember, it's still glitter, so you still have to apply a little bit of pressure, but normally when you take off the glitter nail polish, it just, look, it's already starting to come off. It takes forever, but by taking off that top clear layer first with the nail file, look, it's almost completely done. That did not take very long at all. So that is another hack to take off your nail polish if you do not want to sit and soak your nails. Thanks for watching.